Defeat Glam. 10-minute morning makeover secrets. Running late doesn't mean compromising on style. Discover how to achieve a glamorous look in just 10 minutes. This quick routine is perfect for busy mornings or last-minute plans, ensuring you look polished and put together without the stress. Imagine achieving a full glam look swiftly and efficiently. With these streamlined steps, you can transform your appearance and boost your confidence. This routine combines clever techniques and multitasking products to help you shine, even on the busiest of days. Start by prepping your skin with a multitasking moisturizer that includes SPF. This step hydrates your skin and provides essential sun protection, saving you time and ensuring a smooth canvas for your makeup, keeping your skin healthy and radiant. To ensure your makeup lasts all day, apply a primer. This crucial step creates a smooth base, minimizing pores and fine lines. It helps your foundation adhere better, ensuring your glam look stays fresh from morning until night. For a flawless complexion, use a lightweight, buildable foundation. Apply it with a beauty sponge for even coverage that blends seamlessly into your skin. This hack allows you to customize your coverage, achieving a natural look without feeling heavy or cakey. To brighten and perfect your complexion, apply a creamy concealer under the eyes and on any blemishes. This step will create a flawless base by highlighting key areas and covering imperfections, ensuring a fresh and awake appearance. For a cohesive and natural look, choose a cream blush that can double as a lip tint. This versatile product saves time and space in your makeup bag, while adding a harmonious flush of color to cheeks and lips. Enhance your brows with the tinted brow gel for definition and hold. This quick step fills in sparse areas effortlessly, shaping your brows and framing your face, adding a touch of sophistication and polish to your overall look. For an eye-catching yet simple look, apply a single shimmer eyeshadow shade with your finger. This technique is quick and mess-free, providing your lids with a beautiful pop of color that catches the light without needing multiple products. Using a dark eyeshadow as eyeliner creates a softer, smudged effect that is both chic and easy to achieve. This shortcut defines your eyes without the precision of a pencil, offering a sultry, effortlessly blended finish. Mascara is a game changer for opening up your eyes. Choose a volumizing formula to add drama and fullness to your lashes. Apply generously from root to tip, wiggling the wand slightly to ensure each lash is coated evenly and beautifully. For a sculpted look, a contour and highlight duo stick is your best friend. Swiftly apply contour under cheekbones and along the jawline. Add highlight on the tops of your cheeks and bridge of your nose for instant dimension and glow. Set your masterpiece with a light dusting of translucent powder. Focus on areas prone to shine like the T-zone. This step ensures your makeup stays fresh all day, giving you a flawless finish without adding extra weight to your skin. A swipe of clear or nude gloss can elevate your look effortlessly. It adds a touch of shine and sophistication, completing your glam transformation. The gloss not only enhances your lips, but also complements the overall polished appearance. Finish with a hydrating setting spray to lock in your look. This final step melts all layers of makeup together, ensuring longevity and a natural finish. The spray adds a refreshing touch, leaving your skin radiant and makeup perfectly set. In this lightning-fast beauty routine, we've transformed your morning makeup application. By incorporating multitasking products like duo sticks and cream blushes, you can streamline your process without sacrificing style. These clever choices ensure a polished look in record time. A quick glance at the clock confirms that achieving glam in just 10 minutes is entirely possible. With efficient techniques and time-saving products, you can confidently step out knowing your makeup is both flawless and enduring. The side-by-side comparison highlights the remarkable transformation achieved in mere moments. This visual proof underscores the effectiveness of the techniques used, demonstrating how a few strategic steps can significantly enhance your natural beauty and boost your confidence. Customizing this look is easy. Swap the cream blush for powder if you prefer matte finishes, or choose a bolder lip tint for a dramatic flair. These simple adjustments allow you to make the routine uniquely yours. We'd love to hear your favorite time-saving makeup hacks. Share your tips in the comments and join our beauty community. Your insights could inspire others and help refine their routines, creating a space for shared creativity and support. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on our latest quick and easy makeup tutorials. Stay up to date with all the beauty hacks and transformative looks we have to offer. Thank you for watching today's glam transformation. We hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful. Check out our related videos for more beauty tips and tricks that make looking fabulous fast and effortless. Stay beautiful and see you soon.